I want to show you how to place a decal on a mobile phone. So let's start by doing a sketch with these measurements and then continue to extrude. 8 is fine. Continue with fillet on both sides. Okay, there you got it. And of course you can continue to do more details. But I want to show you where the decals are, and look over here. If you can't find the display manager, you can drag here. Okay, so click on this one, and normally you'll find appearances with colors first, but there is also decals. Right click in this white area, add decal, and down here you can look for your saved pictures, and you choose the one you want, of course, and click image mask file, and then save decals. Okay, I've already saved it, so, and then you just click over here. In this way you have saved your picture under decals over here, so that you can use them over and over again. So appearances, scenes, decals, and your saved pictures. And then you just drag and drop your picture on the surface where you want it. Control 8 to get it in front of you, and drag in the corner to place it like this, for instance. Okay. Go to the TV and click perspective, and it will look even better. Okay, so that's it.